guys, welcome back to another episode of Jeryl's Kitchen. So, see, I'm not in the kitchen again. I have decided to do a question and answer just to let you know about Jeryl when she's not actually in the kitchen cooking. But before I do that, I like to say big up to a few people who has inspired me, who has helped me to grow my channel from where it was to where it actually is now. My cousin Jasmine Ferron, my big sister Avon, big up yourself. Big up to my son, who's been a special thanks to all my subscribers. People just watch my videos, people liked and view my channel. Big up. I appreciate you guys so much. I could not have done it without you. A special thank you to YouTube for this opportunity to showcase my amazing talent. The other day, I got an email from YouTube. They post an email about YouTube year in review where they highlighted my channel and let me know how many views and subscribers and likes, and they're proud of my accomplishments. And they told me to shout it out so everybody knows. So thank you, YouTube. I appreciate you so much. So thanks again to all my subscribers. You guys are amazing. Even to those who give me a thumbs down, thank you. I will try to improve myself so in the future I can get a thumbs up from you. So I like to big up Jasmine Ferran Ministry. She's awesome. Please check out her channel. I like to big up Paddy Joe's Cooking. He's awesome. And I also would like to big up Efaki TV. Please check her out. She's amazing. So guys, now you want to know more about me. So I have like question and answer just to let you know a little bit about me and my likes, my dislikes, what I do when I'm actually not in the kitchen cooking. So, my first question. Everybody wants to know my age. How old are you, Jeryl? That's the first thing they ask me when they see me. Well, I'm actually 21. I am of the legal age to drink alcohol, but I've been 21 for a few years now, like several years now. My question number 2 is, do you have kids? Yes, I have 2 kids. I have a 16-year-old boy and a 11-year-old girl. So, question 3, what do you do when you're not cooking? Well, I actually work for Royal Caribbean Cruise Line as a mixologist. Okay, they want to know how many countries I've been. Well, I've traveled to many different countries in Europe. I've been to Asia. I've been to a lot of different countries in the Caribbean. I've been all over the world basically. They want to know, do you speak any other language? Well, I speak Jamaican. I also speak reggae. But, I understand a little bit here and there. When the guests need a beer, they would say, instead of beer, they say cerveja. So we know that they want a beer. Or if they want wine, they say vin. Or, we have an international language which is known as a smile. So every guest understands. So whenever, a guest comes to us to order a drink and, they see a smile and a nice personality, that's a lot to them. So how many drinks can I make? Well, I can actually make over 1,000 drinks. I can make from Mai Tais to martinis to Sex on the Beach, Bloody Marys, Long Island iced tea, hummingbird, daiquiris, coladas, margaritas, you name it, I can do it. So, since I'm a bartender, some people want to know if I drink alcohol. or I'm a non-alcoholic person. Well, it depends on, my mood. Sometimes, you have to unwind and relax and have a glass of wine, or, drink some rum or something, so not like I'm an alcoholic, but I do, drink. So, what's your favorite local food? Well, my favorite local food is, just give me a plate of curry chicken and just put me in the corner and I will eat it till the plate is empty. I just love curry chicken with some good old plain rice. That's it. What's my favorite, like, international dish? Well, I like, lasagna. I like um pasta. I like pizza. I like traveling to Italy just to have their pizzas, because that's the origin of pizza. So they make really good pizzas in Italy. Have you ever tried any other meat than chicken and fish? Well, I went to St. Vincent and I tried iguana, and it was pretty good. It was really good. I liked it. So one more question is, at what age did I start cooking? Well, I started cooking at the age of about maybe 8. I grew up in a like a large household of like um families and relatives, from my grandma to my mom, aunts and uncles and everybody. And my grandma, she used to have this grocery shop, and she used to like make fritters and pudding, and she used to fry fish, and she would sell it like on the weekends, so we were always there helping her to prepare. So I got most of my skills from learning from my grandma. She was a wonderful woman, a great cook. So guys, this is all my question and answers for today. I hope you enjoyed. It was a pleasure doing this. It's my first time doing this. I'm excited about it. So please subscribe to my channel, like and share, turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you. Be safe. God bless you. Until we meet again. Bye, guys.